starting to blow around and drift around now. It is 5:45 in the evening now. I mean, already the parking lot's pretty well completely snowed in. I mean, it was only about an hour ago there was a couple youngsters playing out there. Their tracks are completely gone. And the winds are starting to pick up a lot harder now, so I'd say over the next hour, couple hours, it's gonna be really messy out. There's already been a couple accidents around town, but no major injuries as of yet. So if you're out on the road, if you have to be out on the roads, and that's if you have to be, take your time and drive slow. Because, I mean, streets around where I'm to are not fit to be on. They're completely snow covered. There's maybe one set of tracks going up them. As you can see, the hospital's almost gone out of sight. So I'd say give it about another hour and you're probably not going to see it.